Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Fandom account. So first of all, launch open Fandom application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Fandom application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you do not have the account yet, you can simply tap on the option register with email and register for your account. If you already have the account, you'll be able to find the sign in methods over here. Sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, sign in with Fandom. So simply tap on the sign in method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to tap on the option sign in with Fandom. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface. Over here what you have to do is enter your credentials and you'll be able to sign in to your account. First of all, enter your username. Make sure to enter the correct username. Now after doing that, enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the option forgot your password and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after entering the credentials, tap on the sign in option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be signed in to your Fandom account. So that is how you log in Fandom account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.